Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Lee, and today I would like to teach you, or rather discuss with you, some questions put forward by subscribers, and which I feel that it would be good if I can share with everyone. So again, my name is Dr. Lee. I'm from Malaysia here, Penang, and Bukit Matajam is my hometown. I'm now staying in Kluang, Johor. So just to let you know, this is my WhatsApp number. If you can take it down or remember, it's good, or anytime you want to have a look, you can actually see it on any of my YouTube channel videos. I have finished writing a book, and this book completely is on grammar, complete with questions, 1,384 questions with answers and with explanation. So if you would like to purchase or to buy this book, now is the time. Please WhatsApp to me. And I can't show you the book because it's all paper. Is with me now. If you want to see the paper, then it's around 140 pages altogether. I don't know how to show it to you. It's all writing actually. There are no drawings. I don't draw because this is a serious matter, so I don't draw cartoon and all this, no. And it has not been sent to the printer, so I can't show you anything. I have subscribers asking me, can you show me? Well, I can't show you, and the other thing, of course, you know, is copyright, so I can't show it before the book is actually printed. I hope you understand. I'm very sorry about that. So if you like to purchase the book, please do it now. Once the books are out, I will send to people who have bought the books, and then I'll start teaching on YouTube every chapter of my book, so that if you do the exercises at home and you're not too sure about the answers, then you can always refer, you can always go up to YouTube, to my channel, and see where you go wrong. Okay, so this is for April. For May, I will again announce other things, my plans at the end of the year, December, where I will be conducting courses, and you can actually come to my course and attend. And that one is outside Johor, because I'm actually in Johor right now. So I think it's not a difficult thing for Johorians to approach me, but places that are far away, it could be a problem. So I don't mind going there. If there's a group of people, I don't mind. Today, lesson 116, sum. So I have students asking me, sum, how to use, what does it mean, when do we use, you know. So today I'm going to show you a very simple lesson, actually, a simple to understand lesson, actually nothing difficult. The important thing is, you look at this word, someone, somebody, same meaning, and it means one person. Can you see how it is written? Someone is one word, not two words. Somebody is also one word. Someone is singing, because someone means one person, so you cannot use are, you must use is. So someone is singing means one person is singing, so you use is, you cannot use are. If it is in the past tense, you use was, you cannot use were. Somebody is singing, same, one person is singing. So it can be is, it can be was, it can also be has eaten. Okay. Then number two, you have something. Something is also one thing. Okay, one thing or one animal. In the end, it becomes an animal. It's okay. Okay, I saw something moving. In the end, it's a person. It's okay, because when you saw it, it was a thing to you. So something you can see joined together, it is one word. Therefore, it is and not are. And then you can see someone is one. But if you want to say more than one, you should say some people. We seldom say some persons, but we do say a few persons. A few persons is okay. We seldom say some persons, we say some people. So some people means more than one person. Somebody is one word. But when you want to say more than one, it is two words. Can you see? Some people, two words, they are separated. And then it means more than one person. Example, some people are singing. Some people are two words. Somebody is one word. Someone is one word. Some people means more than one persons. So we use are, we don't use is. Are singing or have eaten or were eating, just more than one, plural. And then when you say something joined together as one word, it is one, it means one. But when you want to say more, then you must put some things. Two words, you cannot join together, no joining together. So more than one. Example, some things are in his bag. Can you see? Some things, put S because more than one, so you say are. Or if it is in the past tense, you say will. And you can also say have. It depends on your sentence actually. And there was this person, could be a subscriber, who asked me, I don't know whether it's he or she because I don't really know. But this person says, which one is correct or which one's correct? Which is correct? And then this person says, I am confused. Well, let me tell you that there's nothing to be confused. Both are correct. Okay? Only thing is, when you say which one, you're talking about one only. When you say which ones, you're talking about more than one, many. So when you say which one, you use is. When you say which ones, then you say are. So your answer, for this one, it is. For this one, they are. So actually, it's not difficult at all. Okay, so this is a very simple lesson. I just want to show you how to, how something, some things, somebody, someone versus some people, or some boys, some girls. And then something is one thing. But when you want to say more than one, then you say some things. You put S to the things, but then you separate. It is actually two words. Same as someone. Someone, somebody is one word. Something is one word. But when you want to say more than one, then you must put two words. Some people. Some things. Okay, you separate. So some people, some things are more than one. So you must say are. In the past tense, it is will, or you can say have. But if you are talking about something joined together as one word, like this one, something, somebody, someone, it is one word. If it is one word, you say is, you don't say are. Okay? Someone, somebody, then when you say some people, it's more than one. So when it's more than one, you use are. Of course, you can say some boys, some girls, some women. Can, but you separate. You cannot put together. And this one, I repeat. Which one? Which ones? Both are correct. This is correct, this is correct. The only difference is, when you talk about which one, you're talking about one only. So you must use is. When you start with a which, then it is a question. It is not a sentence. When the subscriber wrote to me, he or she did not put a question mark. I want to tell you that when you start with which, you should put a question mark. And which ones? If you are talking about more than one, you use ones. And then you cannot say is, you should say are. and then his, and because we start with which, then you need to put a question mark because it is a question. Okay, and remember that both can be used, both are correct. So that's all for today, nothing much, but just want to highlight some issues that were raised, some questions that were asked, and I want to do it for the benefit of everyone. So for those of you who have been thinking about this question, I hope that you will understand, and you can understand as well, and you have enjoyed listening or watching this video. So that's all for tonight, or for today, for wherever you are. I would like to say that if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.